Welcome to my how-to video on how to clean the drain filter on an old Bosch washing machine like this. You'll be pleasantly surprised to know that it actually has a filter. You will find it at the bottom. So before we actually begin, what you will need is a coin, a bowl, and probably a baking tray. And get yourself some old towels. What you'll do, what we'll first do is just put the towel down. Like so. Right, get your coin, put it in, and this is currently vertical, so we need to turn so it's horizontal. Then we need to do the same with the other side. Horizontal. Now lift the flap down. Now it's on a hinge, so it doesn't actually come away as such. Get your bowl. And inside is this pipe. To drain it, just turn clockwise. This will take a few times to get rid of all the water that's inside the drain pump. To make your things a little bit easier for yourself, just grab yourself a washing up bowl and of course your bowl. So it's going to take a few times to do this. In fact, I'm pretty sure if we do this, let's see if we can get any water out at this level. We can, but it's not very much. Just grab our baking tray. Now, let's replace this. The stopper. It's quite long. You need to keep the pipe straight and pulled out towards you to put it back in. This might be already bent, as you can see here. It is slightly. Doesn't matter. Put it anywhere you want. Just push, and then you get to the top bit here. Just push until it stops. Then just swing that back inside. There's a little clip here you can sit in, but generally you don't need to do that. Just leave it sat inside along here. Now we're going to open the filter. So what we'll do, we'll try and get our baking tray in place. Doubt it. Just leave it out and let the water go onto the towel. Tiny drop of water, we'll just quickly use our towel, just dry it up. And while we've also got our towel still here, we'll just wipe around here to clear the bit on which this will sit against. While we've got it out, we'll just take a look at the filter, see how clogged it is. Tiny bit there, but nothing to worry about. If you want to just run it under the sink, let's get it out. I'm not going to bother with this. Finally, we'll put the filter back in. That's it. There's no lining up or anything. and it should come to near enough a horizontal position. Get your coin, line up, make sure that is horizontal, push, turn, it's vertical, push, turn, so it's vertical, and then that's it. That's how you do the filter on a Bosch washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative to do your own at home.